Like, at first I thought it was just a kitten that I was just, like, wrestling with nothing.
Why do they both go in there?
Huh?
Why do they both go in there? She's just smothering him. I'm gonna bite your dick off.
Aww.
Fur everywhere.
Wet, sticky.
Twink, are you confused?
Come on, buddy. Go back in.
Wet, sticky fur.
I'm like,
He's
no.
like, fuck that.
No. Oh, wait. I guess it's done.
Twink, are you confused?